geography as your Arkansas climate summary is at 9 a.m. February 15th, 2025. There may be in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison. WNG 608 serves the...
Wait.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County in west central Arkansas, southeastern County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Sebastian County in west central Arkansas. 15 p.m. time. 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight.
Oh. SBR. What's that going?
Is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fort Smith, Van Buren, Charleston, Greenwood, Barling, Lavaca, Bonanza, Bloomer, Excelsior, Fort Smith Regional Airport, Burnsville, Fort Chaffee, Jenny Lind, Kibler, Central City, Mill Creek, Rye Hill, Vista, Ursula. This includes Interstate 540 between mile markers 5 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County in west central Arkansas, southeastern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Bonanza, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include